Hi guys, good evening. Ngayon po tayo sa Mesol, Arabic Mesol for today the menu for the Filipino chicken chop suey. Voila. And next is soup, vegetable soup. And for the Asian, they are preparing of Mr. Sabir
Fish curry.
fish curry. And then after that will be spinach. Oh, voila. Then the next one, oh, we'll move to voila, this one. Nice it. And Mr. Naris will be prepared for the salad. So, yeah, see, look at that, the preparation. And for the Arabic, Mr. Farid and Mr. the guy. Yeah, see, it's Arabic. It's very good. Look at that. And see, it's for Arabic. See, voila, see, voila, nice it, huh? See, voila, nice. Very busy people here right now. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.